Raghav lived in a big bungalow in the busy city. He had everything anyone could want: a huge house, expensive cars, and fancy clothes. But Raghav wasn't just rich, he was proud. He thought that money made him better than others. He treated people badly. He ignored their feelings and thought he was smarter than everyone. "I'm better than all of you," he would say, looking down on people with less money. His pride made him believe nothing could go wrong for him. For many years, Raghav made bad choices. He spent too much money on things he didn't need. He didn't listen to advice and made risky investments. Slowly, his wealth began to disappear. His business failed and soon he couldn't pay his bills. His beautiful bungalow, once a symbol of his success, started to feel empty. Creditors came knocking at his door. His friends left him. Raghav was left alone, with nothing. The life he thought would last forever was now gone. One evening, Raghav sat alone on the steps of his empty bungalow. He thought about all the mistakes he had made. How did I end up here? How could I have been so proud? He felt lost and sad. Just then, he saw someone walking toward him. It was Vikram, an old employee he had fired a long time ago. Raghav felt embarrassed, but Vikram didn't look angry. He walked over and offered his hand to Raghav. "Raghav, I'm sorry to see you like this," Vikram said kindly. "I know what it feels like to lose everything, but it's never too late to rebuild." Raghav hesitated. His pride told him to refuse, but inside he felt something change. He had made so many mistakes, but maybe there was still a chance to fix things. Slowly, he took Vikram's hand. "I don't know if I can start over," Raghav whispered. "I hurt so many people. I don't know if anyone will trust me again." Vikram smiled gently. "It's never too late to change. The past is behind you, but the future is in your hands. Start small, be kind, and take the right steps every day." Raghav's journey wasn't easy. Every day he had to remind himself to be patient. He worked hard at small jobs he once thought were beneath him. He felt ashamed, but he kept going. He worked long hours, trying to prove he was serious about changing. He apologized to people he had hurt in the past. Some of them forgave him, but many didn't. It was hard, but Raghav learned not to give up. As time passed, Raghav felt stronger. He didn't just work to earn money, but to rebuild his character. He learned to listen, to be humble, and to treat others with respect. His life began to slowly improve. He found people who believed in him again. Months later, Raghav stood in front of a small office, a far cry from the grand bungalow he once lived in. He had worked hard to get here step by step. Vikram, who had become his friend and business partner, stood beside him. "You did it, Raghav," Vikram said, smiling. "You've earned back my trust. I'm proud of you." Raghav smiled too, but this time it was a smile full of gratitude. He realized that true success wasn't about money. It was about humility, hard work, and the relationships you build along the way. That's all, my friends. Raghav's story teaches us an important lesson. No matter how rich or powerful we become, pride can lead to failure. True greatness comes from being humble, working hard, and learning from our mistakes. Raghav rebuilt his life not because he was given a second chance, but because he worked for it. His story shows us that even if we fall, we can always rise again if we learn from our mistakes. If you enjoyed Raghav's journey and want to keep learning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this story with someone who needs to hear it. Keep being kind, work hard, and remember, every mistake is a lesson. See you next time.